All right, wonderful people, welcome back to this wonderful channel where we bring you back-to-back update and information as the hot. In case this is your first time of joining us on this wonderful channel, go ahead and subscribe to our channel, like, comment, share, and remember to on your notification button. Make I carry you go to the matter. We be say, na ain't carry me come here, you know, say na matter, na ain't they bring matter. The information we be say there for my table say Enugu state people don't vex so. They say Enugu state people don't vet for Ga Oluwole Mbao. They say the people don't vex for the man. Because you know, say I brought you news the other time where we say because of this sit at home, that man go, they lock people shop. Oh. And after they lock people shop, people begin to protest. And on that protest, 9 police people come by about 3 people where we say police people by. Now the Enugu state people converse more. Say who be Mba, say Mba must come out for the office. So say Mba must come out. Say that man no be the mandate where we say they vote for. Say another man now they vote for. Say how Mba managed to enter there. Say they themselves they no know. They say Mba now the trouble where we say Enugu state get now because instead of him to they focus on the matters where we say it concern the Enugu state. In go deliver, they do another thing where they no send them. They say on top of that matter, say police people don't go arrest 3 people. Say 3 people will be say they follow for the protest. For this obodo make we know as the day or day. Because if you go protest, that one na from Boro you go see yourself. Make I carry you go for that full information, make you see as the hot. They say the Enugu State Police State Command has arranged and remanded in prison custody 4 Oboeteme market traders for protesting against the sealing of their shops by Governor Peter Mba for not coming to market on Monday. You dey see am, na just because they protest say they lock their shop, 9 or police people go arrange them. And you know say who they involve, it go be Oga Oluwole, na him go dey do them that thing. They say traders, namely Ebezina Ezebinago, cased 45 years, Eze Patrick 53 years, Friday Annie, aka Ozuomen 47 years, and Obu Jude Nkem 37 years were arraigned on 3 counts filed against them in the case between them and the Commissioner of Police. They were secretly arraigned before Enugu Court, not Magistrate District Court, on Wednesday evening. Sahara reporters reported on July 27, 2023 that security agents deployed to Oboeteme Market killed 3 traders and injured several others when traders took to the street to protest against the sealing of their shops by the government for not opening for businesses the previous Monday. The indigenous people of Biafra IPOB, a separatist group agitating for the Biafra nation in August 2021, called for sit-at-home protests every Monday in the southeast region to force the Nigerian government to release its leader Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu, who has been in custody since June 2021 when he was extraordinary rendition from Kenya, has been freed by different courts but has yet to be released by the government. IPOB, however, made a U-turn by cancelling the sit-at-home protest, saying it would affect residents, but this position was ignored by the Prime Minister of the Biafra Republic government in exile. Meanwhile, you know, as the hot now, say, Emma Powerful will be the DOS, the Director of State, for the IPOB, don't come out. Talk say the letter where we say Ifeanyi Ejiofor, no, Aloy Ejimako read, he say that letter no be from Mazen they can know. You don't see him, you know, say waiting they call him that Emma Powerful follow for the people where we say now then they kick against the matters, the things where we say Master Simon Eba they do. I'm telling you. And then they kick against them, but now it don't clear for their eyes. Their eyes don't clear. You know, say if you carry pepper put for man eye. If the pepper maybe if it no see they cry. But when the man eye clear him, he go know wetin he do himself. As na na mbo yon wanyi ku ya mu from onwe mo sosu. E water go oh mo sosu like this. Amakwa mo ya mo kwa no window. Ofu nwoke si ka mo ya no kwa wanyi taaro ka ono nke nwara azumbodobo na ike nsaba. E water go so that omu ejima ko kulie na azu. Ya wana onwe ya kwa no bu nwoke ka ya le just be extra pillow. And now waiting fit Nigeria as at this time. If you want marry now, try marry woman wey be saying bum big so that at least you go dey use and do your pillow. No need of spending money on pillow. Try go make you yourself get big head. Make the woman quite dey use and do pillow. Now see they go as I dey bring you the information. So but now it don't clear for everybody eye. It don't clear for even waiting they call them. The DOS will be in my power for eye. See so you get some game will be say these people they play there. Now today something happened in Abuja. Ifeanyi Ejiofor waiting they call him name and the and Ifeanyi Oba with Akajiofor Igwe Akajiofor of Aguleri was seen in Abuja. According to them, they said they went to visit Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the Ohamadike one of Ndigbo. They showed the video, even though Nnamdi Kanu was not seen on the video, but these three people were seen in Abuja, and they even held a press release saying that they want to, convey to the people what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu told them. But my question is, since they went there, why didn't they maybe like video him, have a conversation with him, let video it, do the coverage, and everybody will see that actually that this thing is coming from him. And even though that Ekpa has said that whatever Kanu is saying now might not be taken serious because he might be under duress, so that most of the things that he will be saying will not be taken serious, because a man under duress can say anything just to get his freedom first. And Ekpa has said that the sit at home continues. They say another while I don't shell. They say Niger tension heightens as Niger Republic cut off ties with Nigeria as peace talk collapse. They say the military junta in Niger Republic has cut off ties with Nigeria after the effort of Economic Community of West Africa states to resolve the matter. The military junta in Niger State has cut off ties with Nigeria after the efforts of Economic Community of West Africa states to resolve the ongoing impasse failed. They say ECOWAS had issued a 7-day ultimatum for the reinstatement of President Mohamed Bazoum to avoid possible clash with the junta, but President Bola Tinubu sent a high-powered delegation to the country to meet with the coup leaders on Thursday. The delegation, led by General Abdul Salami Abubakar retired, only met with representatives of the junta. Subsequently, Niger severed ties with Nigeria, Togo, France, its colonies, and the United States. The functions of the extraordinary and plenipotentiary ambassadors of the Republic of Niger to France, Nigeria, Togo, and the United States are terminated. Radio France International quoted one of the putschists to have said on national television, "Wahala, wahala is lumino. Say somebody they talk say these people may not obey Oga Tinubu well because everybody believes say the corner, winga, enter, office. As it be, they say 200 million. They can't call one name, say Yakubu. They can't put an Danjuma. I don't know whether they understand what they talk. They say 200 million. Come put am Yakubu. So they say na the Yakubu. They call one other name, what do they call Tinubu? They say na kona. They say na that reason why we be say the people wey be say dem dey for Niger Republic no go even fit obey wetin in the talk, because he himself na corner